Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about values of trigonometric ratios of angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so let's begin. So I have drawn one table in which we have angles. So these angles are in degrees and same angles are in radians. Okay. And here are 6 trigonometric functions like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Okay, so as we have seen earlier that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is inverse of tan, that is 1 by tan theta. Sec theta is 1 by cos theta and cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So we will require this thing to study the angles. Okay. So our first trigonometric ratio is sin theta. Okay. So today we are not going to see any trick, like there are many tricks to remember these values. We are directly gonna learn these values, like there are palm trick and some other tricks. Okay. We'll directly learn it. Okay. So just remember one thing, that sin starts with 0 and ends with 1. So what I have said, that sin starts with 0 and ends with 1. Okay, it means that it starts with 0 and ends with 1. So sin 0 degree is 0 and sin 90 degree or pi by 2 is 1. Okay, so let's see 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. So all these three values are in rational. Okay, so 30 degree is upon 2. This is upon root 2 and this is upon 2. So 2 root 2 and 2. So we can remember it as 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2 and root 3 upon 2. Okay. So starts with 0, ends with 1, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2. So these are values of 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Okay. Now our next trigonometric function is cos theta. Okay, so if we'll write all these values of sin theta in opposite direction or in reverse direction. Okay, so let's write this. So reverse direction means we'll write 1 here, then root 3 upon 2, then 1 upon root 2, then 1 upon 2 and then 0. So these are the values of cos theta, that is cos 0 is 1, 30 is root 3 upon 2, 45 is 1 upon root 2, 60 is half and 90 is 0. So we can say that cos starts with 1 and ends with 0. And also we can see that 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon root 2, that is 45 degrees. Same for both. We just have to exchange this 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Okay. So next function is tan theta. So as we all know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta, right? So if we'll divide this by this, then we'll directly get the value of tan theta. Okay. So our first is 0 upon 1. So tan 0 is 0 upon 1. So 0 upon 1 is always 0. Next is 30 degrees. So tan 30 means sin 30 upon cos 30. So 1 upon 2 and root 3 upon 2. 2 gets cancel out. So it is 1 upon root 3. Our next function is 45 degrees. So 1 upon root 2, 1 upon root 2. Both gets cancel and what is left is 1. Our next function is tan 60 degrees. So root 3 upon 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. So it is root 3. And our last function is tan 90 degrees. So tan 90 degree is 1 upon 0. Now remember one thing, that 1 upon 0 has no value. Okay. So it is not defined. So if there is 0 in denominator, value of it is always not defined. So we'll write here not defined. Okay. So we have seen one trend for sine, that sine this values in this direction are same for cos values in opposite direction. Same trend is applicable to tan and cot. So this direction values of tan, if we'll write in opposite sense, then we'll get all the values of cot theta. Okay, like we'll start with this value. So cot 0 is not defined. Then root 3. So 30 is root 3. Cot 45 is 1. Then 1 by root 3. And last, cot 90 is 0. Okay. So tan this values are cot this values. Okay. Our next trigonometric function is sec theta. Okay. So as we all know that sec theta is inverse or reciprocal of cos theta. Okay. So we know all the cos values. Okay. So from this we can get sec values. Okay. So we know that. So sec 0 will be 1 upon cos 0, that is 1 upon 1. So it will be 1. Next, sec 30 degree will be reciprocal of this, that is 2 upon root 3. Then sec 45, it will be root 2. Then sec 60, it will be 2 by 1 or 2. And last one is sec 90 degree. So sec 90 degree 1 upon 0. So 1 upon 0 is always not defined. Okay. So value of sec 90 is not defined in this case. So we can write directly not defined. Okay. And our last trigonometric ratio is cosec theta. So same trend we can follow for cosec theta also. So if we'll write values of sec in opposite sense, okay, so this value will write here, then this here, then this here, then this here. So we'll get all the values of cosec theta. So we'll write, so not defined 2 root 2, 2 upon root 3 and 1. So all these values are of cosec theta. Okay. So we can see one trend that sine in this direction is cos in opposite direction, tan in this direction is cot in opposite direction, sec in this direction is cosec in opposite direction. And you have to remember this and this condition. Okay. So these were values of trigonometric ratios. Hope so all your concepts are clear. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.